Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to mention everyone in the WhatsApp group step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you proceed. Step 2. Now, head over to the Chats menu and select the group where you want to mention everyone. Step 3. Once you're inside the chat window, go ahead and type the @ icon on your display. Step 4. To mention everyone in the group, just type the word everyone after the @ symbol, and then tap the send icon located at the bottom right corner. That's it. You've mentioned everyone in the group. Step 5. If you only want to mention one specific person, start by typing the @ icon again, but this time, select the person's profile from the list that pops up on your screen. Step 6. After selecting their profile, just tap the send icon at the bottom right corner, and you're done. You've successfully mentioned everyone in the WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.